Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Football is where we start. National head coach Theodore Tapper Whitmore and his assistant Jerome Waite have been given the mandate to carry on in their positions after the board of directors at the JFF made a number of approvals at its board meeting on Saturday. Theodore Whitmore has been in the role as national head coach since the dismissal of former coach Winfried Schaefer last year, with Jerome Waite as his right-hand man. The two were given the job on an interim basis to see Jamaica through the CFU and Gold Cup competitions, but after the death of the then JFF president, Captain Horace Burrell, their positions have been up in the air. But with Michael Ricketts now at the helm of the JFF, things have been ratified, and the two have been given the job for 2 years, subject to the finalization of their contracts. Manchester FA President Dalton Wint has also been given the duty of General Secretary on a permanent basis. He succeeded Raymond Grant, who resigned the post on September 16. Grant will now chair the Infrastructural Development Committee. The National Youth Committee will be chaired by Andre Virtue. Lionel McLean has been relieved of the Technical Committee Chairman position, and that has now gone to Everton Tomlinson of the Westmoreland FA. Peter Reid has replaced Garfield Sinclair as Chairman of the Finance Committee. Patrick Malcolm takes up the role as Chairman of the Referees Committee. Interestingly, Craig Butler, who tried his hand in the race for JFF President and later the Director of Football, has been named on the Youth Development Committee. Meanwhile, the JFF has selected Director of Football Wendell Downswell, National Grassroots Coordinator Andre Virtue, and National Under-15 Assistant Coach Davian Ferguson to participate in the CONCACAF Train the Trainers regional program to be held in Barbados from November 1 to 3.